Good morning. Naanami diri sa Pura Vida. Nag-lunch me. Happy Sunday, guys. Hi. Thank you. Morning, sir. Pura Vida. Morning. Happy Sunday. Kami sa lahang kuan. Ilahang I play na icon playground. Restaurant, swimming pool, na bar. Ano lang? Reception. Yes, the reception. The reception. The reception. Yeah. They changed the reception. Not yet. Morning.
Hi, hello.
Nag-lunch me.
Lunch lang to. Wala ka tayo reservation.
Wala.
Okay, so by the way, ma'am, we accept walk-ins, but we have entrance fee. That's 500 per head, consumable to your food and drinks. And then if you want to use the pool, we also have a pool fee of 500 per head, non-consumable and regardless of age. Yeah. So for how many person, ma'am?
9. Abi na kung Sunday walay ko Saturday ra?
Saturday. But every Saturday starting at 5 p.m. until 10.
Okay.
Yeah, so for 9 packs.
Inyong kuan reception. Wala na to yung daan dito nga kuan. Naghapon reception center ayun dito.
Soon, ma'am. Nana po siya.
Soon. Give each one para sa kuan, para sa password. Lalay lang password. Ako og sang bill butang hibag upan niyo. Swimming pool entrance 500 pesos. Consumable kung magkuan mo mag-swimming so another hilagal yung swimming pool 500 per 100 per head yapon na yan. Ay lang bilyaran, ay lahang kuan. Okay, happy Sunday. Babe, you can get one chicken.
Which one do you want me to take?
Trust ko na. Trust in you trust.
Is that okay? Thank you.
Sizzling.